Timer ready. The first winning number is a number 16. Number 16, numero 16. Muli babalik po natin ang ball number 16 para sa pagpili ng second winning number. Timer ready. Timer ready. The second winning number is a number 8. Number 8, numero 8. Ulitin ko lamang po ang Camarines Sur SPL winning combination 16 and 8. 16, 8. Muli magpipirma po ang ating panel of judges para po sa ating sinagawang actual shot.
Official draw result for today, October 22, 2025, 3 p.m. draw with draw number 5527 is 16 and 8. This is size 8.